Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through how to disable the Vibrate option for playing media notifications on Chrome. If you've been annoyed by those constant vibrations every time a video or song plays, don't worry. It's a simple setting you can change in just a few steps. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. This is where you'll find all the controls for apps, sound, and notifications. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists every application installed on your device. From there, look for Chrome and tap on it. This will open the settings page specifically for the Chrome browser. Now, tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see all the different categories of alerts that Chrome can send you. Once you're in the Notifications menu, select Notification Categories. This breaks down the types of alerts even further, so you can control them individually. At this point, find and tap on Playing Media. This is the category responsible for sending notifications whenever media like audio or video is playing in Chrome. Finally, you'll see an option to toggle off Vibrate. Switch it off, and that's it. Chrome will no longer trigger vibrations when media is playing. Making this small change means you can still receive notifications about media playback without your phone buzzing every time. This is especially helpful if you watch a lot of videos, listen to music, or use Chrome regularly and want a quieter browsing experience. To recap, open your phone's settings. Go to Apps, tap on Chrome, head into Notifications, select Notification Categories. Open Playing Media, and then toggle off Vibrate. In just a minute, you've eliminated those distracting vibrations. By customizing your notification settings this way, you can enjoy Chrome without interruptions, keeping your device more in line with how you want it to behave. If you prefer less noise and distraction, taking advantage of these options is definitely worth it.